Okay, so here's our BYOD-8800. So basically this is the back panel of the matrix switcher. Right now I have the RS232 cable which is connected, as this RS232 is using the 3-pin phonics connector. So we may need to DIY this cable, and right now I already have this one. It's DIYed by myself. So this one is the 3-pin to the DB9, and this side is going to be the male side. And just because my USB to the RS232 cable is USB to for male. Okay, so now I already have this cable DIYed, and when DIY this cable, we need to make sure, and just because we only need to use the pin 2, pin 3, and pin 5, and usually the pin 2 is for the TX, and the pin 3 is for RX, and pin 5 is for the grounding. So on our matrix switcher and the RS232 port, we also have the printing on it. So this pin is for the RX, TX, and the grounding. So make sure, and when we DIY this cable, we need to make sure the wiring is like pass through. Okay, so now we already have it ready. Then we just plug this one to the RS232 port. Okay, now I'm just going to connect the USB DB9 to the female side. Okay, so this is the cable connections for this one. And now I'm going to show how we use sending the RS232 commands to the matrix switcher and for the output resolution settings. Okay, so in this video we mainly just show through this RS232 port and change the output resolutions by the RS232 commands. And here's my PC, which is have the USB connected, and this is my software and the commands list. Okay, so this is the command list, and it's only for the 4K60 SVM output cards. And the bar rate is 115/200, and data bit is 8, stop bit is 1, and check bit is down. Okay, if we use this TCP/IP, and we need to see the port number is 5000 for TCP and 4000 for UDP. Okay, here's the rest the commands. So the commands is showing as the hex codes. So when we use the software, we need to T-code the box sending as the hex, not use the string. Okay, so now I'm just going to do the open the port, and my PC, the COM port is COM9 and 115/200, and we just click open, and now it's open. And now, just such as if we want to change a resolution to 1080p, so we just copy these commands here directly. Copy the commands, and we just back to the RS232 software. We just paste down the first line, and we need to check the box here, send as the hex mode, and we'll just click to send. When we click to send, and we will see on the screen will be just off. Okay, so now that means we already have the resolution set to the displays. And also on the software, and we will have a response, but just like it's not readable. Okay, so this we send the commands to set up the resolution is as 1080p. We can check out the resolution on the displays and see. Okay, so the resolution showing on the display is 1080p. Okay, now I'm just back to the checkout on the input source. So this is our player, and this to settings. Settings and resolution. So we can see the resolution right now is from this player is using 4K 60 Hz. Okay, so we have the 4K 60 input, but for the output we just use the command set to 1080p as we showed up on the display. It's 1080p source because this is the commands which we send out. Okay, so now if we want to just have it back to the 4K 60, and we'll just copy the 4K 60 commands, such as we want to use the 4092 by 2160. We'll just copy these commands, and we'll just paste it on the second line of the software. And also check this box, send as the hex. Okay, let's just click to send the commands now. Okay, the screen's off. Check out the resolution on the displays. The source is still 4K 60. Okay, so now the resolution changed to 4096 by 2160. The display, it's going to be the same, 4096 by 2160 Hertz. Okay, such as if we just only want to change this screen showing different resolutions, such as we want to show as the 3840 by 2160. So we can just copy these commands as well. Then back to the software, we'll just paste down the line. Because now we only want to change this display as the 3840 by 2160 Hertz. Okay, so we just need to change the FF to be 0, 1, which means fully output 1. Then we can just click to send. Okay, only this screen off. This screen still stays on. Now we can check out the resolution on display. So now this one is 3840 by 2160. And another screen. See, this screen is still 4096 by 2160. Okay, so basically with the RS232, we can just set up like all the outputs to be the same resolution, or we can set up like only one port with a 4K, another display I can show you as the 1080p or other resolutions. Just use the different resolution commands. Okay, thank you.